Vivo launched the X100 back in November of last year, and the company is now hard at work on its successor, the X200. A few details about the X200 have been leaked on Weibo, and here's the first look at the Vivo X200 Pro. The phone features a flat metal frame and a large circle camera design in the center. According to Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the X200 will be a small-screen flagship with a 1.5K resolution flat panel and symmetrical bezels on all four sides. The Vivo X200 Pro is expected to have a 6.7-inch OLED panel with curvature on all four sides. Both phones will sport a 120Hz refresh rate and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The X200 will be powered by the Dimensity 9400 chipset, while the X200 Pro will feature a customized 50-megapixel Sony sensor, a 200-megapixel 3-eyes Periscope telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.